Hey, third grade. So yeah, miraculously we found 10 worms. We know that wasn't miraculous. I dug them out of my compost. But one thing we need to do for if you're doing changes in temperature or changes in amount of water, no matter what, we have to feed the worms. Okay, so before we start setting up or continuing our setup with other conditions, we have to feed our worms. So you'll see here, I've got chopped up green beans, strawberries, apples, just a few things, be it apple core, just started to go bad. And I just top them up small. Then you want to mix it up evenly throughout the soil. And then I'll continue this video for each of your separate setups if you're doing temperature or amount of water. So I stepped away to get water, and my cat is already putting himself in here. Anyway, so we're going to mix in the water. And yes, I have to set up this experiment away from the cat so he doesn't mess with it. So again, just making sure that there's no dry soil anywhere, but I also don't want it too wet because I don't want to flood the worms. Okay, just want it nice and moist. Okay, so the worms are just kind of in there right now, and they're in there. Okay, actually I can see one right here. Okay, so the way the rest of this experiment's being set up, once I move the cat out of the way, is 1/2 of the container is on top of a heating pad. Okay, this heating pad is actually, hold on, let me move Tigger. Ugh. Dude, my hands are messy. So 1/2 of this container is going to get heated up. The other half will not. Okay, let me move over the pad more so it is just on half of the container. There we go. So half of it will get heated, the other half will not. And what I will do is I will check to see where the worms are every now and then. Okay, we'll check to see where the worms are. I might have to add some more food too. So, yeah, I'm going to use my dirty hands. I'm going to touch my camera. So, oh, let me get some light on my face. So, what we're going to do, so some of you said I should check it every hour. Well, think about it. How would you like it if someone came and bugged you every hour? Said, hey, what are you eating? Hey, what temperature is it? Do you feel comfortable? Hey, so we're not going to bother them every hour. But if you chose once a day or every 3 days, I think those are both really good choices. And when it comes to temperature, even once a week might really tell us something. But I figure we're going to do once a day, see if there's any changes, and then we'll see. And if we're noticing not many changes happen till the 3rd day, you'll know in the future if you set up such an experiment, every 3rd day. Anyway, I need to get my cat. He's getting into other things. So right now, that is the setup for our temperature experiment with the worms. Now, of course, if you guys want to set something like this up at home and you don't have a heating pad, which I'm guessing many of you don't, and if I didn't have a gecko, I would not have one either, you could always set up a lamp. And you'd have a lamp just on half of this, maybe put some cardboard here to shield the rest of it. But the only thing you have to be careful with using a lamp is it will also dry out the soil here. So you will have to come and mist it and things like that. So again, if you wish to set this up at home, remember you don't have to. If you wish to set up at home, those are some other ways of doing it.